Hi, this is Tulsiram from Codon. In today's video, I'll tell you everything that you need to know about Discord. So let's get started. The topics that I will be covering in this video are what is Discord, how to download and install Discord and sign up in Discord, what are Discord servers, what are the different games that you could play and share it via Discord, what are the different activity feeds and how can you join different YouTubers or influencers Discord server, how to do video chats. So the first thing you need to go is go to discord.com. You could sign up here or you could download a Discord app from their website itself. So type Discord. Now click this link. I'll provide link in the description. You could download for Windows or any of the operating system. It's also available for Android, or we'll just open it directly in the browser itself. This is way more convenient. Now it is asking us to enter a username. So let me choose Codon. So Codon is a username that I have chosen. It checks if the username is available. Now it is asking me for my date of birth. I'll select April 9 1998. Select. What is the purpose of joining Discord? Do you want to just create your own server? Let me explain what Discord is actually. Imagine there is a big world. In this world there are a lot of houses. So every house has an owner. Now the owner is like a god in the house. He makes the rules of how the house should be. What are the rules that every person has to follow if they want to enter a house. So now you are alone in your house. Now this your house is a Discord server and you are the god and the creator of this Discord server. Now you want people to come to your house and enjoy. So you send them a link. As soon as they click that link, they can come inside the house. So I'll select artists and creators. For me and my friends, for a club or for a community, I'll select for a club and community. It's Codon server. It is asking me to upload a photo. I'll leave it as it is. I'll create. Now take me to my server. Now it is asking for email name. I'll enter the email name. I'll enter the password. Now after creating the sign up, now this is the verification link. You can just right click or copy the link and paste it here to just verify yourself, or you could directly click it from there. Now you got verified. Now you can continue to Discord. So after you have created an account in Discord, now it's time to download Discord. Just go to discord.com, click on download. Once you hit the download, you can select the operating system of your choice. So I've already kept for the download. See, it's already running here. So once the download gets completed, you need to install this Discord, or you could directly do it from the browser itself where you hit the login button. So now the download is completed. Now it's time to install it. Just click it. After the download has been completed, now it's time to log in back again. You should use the Discord app because it works much better rather than the browser. A lot of times I see browser suddenly crashes, but in the app it works pretty good. You can directly scan it if you already have the app in your smartphone, or you could just log in. So let me just log in. So now I'm logged into Discord server, and this is my server, as I've already shown you how to build your own server. Now it's time to find some other servers to join and enjoy using Discord. So I'll just click this link. It's called Discover, where you can find a bunch of servers, but I'll also provide a link to the website where I have accumulated all the best Discord servers that you can join, which have a lot of fun, a lot of people most of the time, so you can enjoy, have a nice conversation with them. Now we are in Discord. Let me tell you how everything is arranged and how it works. So on the left side you can see these are the places where you will find all of your servers. So if you join a lot of Discord servers, all of the servers will be available at here, and this is a list area where all of your friends, messages, bots, whoever you have communicated with will be available here. And these are the like normal blocks where if you are having a conversation with them, if you click on the left and you can have a conversation at this side. It's more like a messenger kind of a thing. You can find your settings at here. You can change, you can streamer mode, change all of your settings. There are a lot of them. And let's join a server. So when you go to Discover, there are a lot of servers available here. It's for entertainment, science and technology, education, gaming, and a lot of other stuff. So I will search one of the server. It's called Chill. So let me see. Okay, this server seems fine. It's Chill Heaven. Click it. Now as you can see, these are the different rules that it is already asking us go through. So read more information about server, boost server, select a role here. So if I click here, always you should need to select a role after joining a server, so that will help you to gain more access. So first it is asking us to join, so I'll just click join. So now I am into server, I have joined this server. Okay, now it's time to get a role. So to get a role, on the top there'll be rules, info, news. Just click on the role and just click keep on clicking one of these dotted icons, so that you will automatically get a role. Don't worry if you do anything wrong, it's totally fine. These are like just an MCQ kind of a thing, like multiple choice questions where you need to select one, it will automatically give you roles. And these are the roles that you need to read. These are called VCs, also known as voice chats, where you can enable your video, audio, you can disable your audio, video, and just have a random conversation. Let us have a random conversation. I'll join one of these random groups and see what they are talking about. I'll mute the mic first. As you can see here, your mic permissions, I'll join them. So after that, if you click that VC one more time, then you can open this tab, as this is the area where all your chats will be available. So there are so many of them, just click any one of them. If you click here, I'll just increase the volume.
Didn't expect any more.
You can do it right.
Sheesh.
So these are random people talking. You can also join in the conversation if you unmute this mic. I don't want to do it. As you can see, I don't have video and sharing permissions enabled. So for that, I need to spend some time in Discord. So every Discord user has this thing called levels, where if you spend more time, so like half an hour or one days or 2 days on Discord VCs, like voice chats, your permission will automatically get enabled, because you will be increasing your ranks. So like click profile and select role. Like this is also a newbie role, and he is also a newbie roles. He is a golden yellow nominee. So these are the different roles that this guy has. So if I click his profile, you can see the mutual servers, like both of them. If they have any mutual servers, any mutual friends, you can check on it. You can message him directly. Like if you message, you can directly message the guy and all those other things. So let me go back to the server. So like these are the servers. So there are a lot of servers you could join. You could join on VCs, you could join different YouTubers Discord server and have a nice conversation with them. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace.